This is a Sugar Defender review. If you're looking into Sugar Defender drops and want a straight answer about what it is, what's in it, and whether it's even worth looking at, here it is. Sugar Defender is everywhere right now. You've probably seen ads or videos claiming it helps with blood sugar, energy, and weight. Let's go through what it actually contains and what it might really do. First ingredient is gymnema. It's used in a lot of blood sugar supplements. Some people say it helps with sugar cravings and absorption. There's some research behind it, so it makes sense as a main part of the formula. Then there's ginseng. That one's mostly for energy, but there are a few studies showing it might support insulin sensitivity. Not strong on its own, but not a bad addition. Chromium is also included. It's a mineral that helps with how your body handles carbs. Not a game changer, but it's pretty common in these types of formulas. The rest of the ingredients, maca root, guarana, coleus, and African mango, are more for general energy or weight management. They don't really have much to do with blood sugar. So if you're looking at Sugar Defender as a blood sugar support product, most of the useful stuff is in those first three. There have also been some complaints from people who ordered Sugar Defender on Amazon. Stuff like strange packaging, weird taste, or not getting what they expected. If you're thinking about trying it, don't order from random places. Use the official site only. I'll link that below. So, is Sugar Defender worth it? If you're already eating decently and staying active, this might offer a little support. If you're hoping it fixes everything while you keep eating junk, don't expect much. A couple ingredients make sense. A few others are more like extras. Use it if you want. Just go in with the right expectations. That's it for this one. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you want more stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.